My name is Natalie Garlick. I'm studying level 2 at Risehome College. So at Risehome we are studying the level 2, so it's all aspects of gardening, horticulture, garden maintenance. So we start off anything like seed planting, down to propagation, doing cuttings, how to maintain a garden throughout the year, and we do an awful lot of health and safety. We do a lot about sustainability and how we can move forward as gardeners in the future and try and work on the planet as well. Growing up, I've always had an interest in gardening. It's been something that's been really important to my whole family. So even back when you look at the Second World War, my family would grow their own crop, they would grow their own vegetables. So all of our family have always been gardeners, and it's something that I've always been brought up around. I am a typical lockdown gardener. I started gardening on my own in lockdown, and it grew from there. I had a really stressful job, and gardening I kind of did for my mental health. And from there, when you're kind of doing gardening, thinking, I love this being out here, I could actually do this as a job. Then when you actually end up earning money from it and doing it all day, it's really true what they say, in that you never work a day in your life if you do something that you love. I found that the RHS level 2 was a perfect course for me. It fitted in with my life, my studying fitted in with my family and my work, and then it gave me that qualification at the end. During winter, obviously as a gardener, the lawn doesn't grow quite so much, there aren't so many weeds, so it started to die down, and I still really wanted to keep that learning going and wanted to learn as much as I can over the winter months. So I had a look round at my local gardens that I could potentially go work in, and I offered myself a volunteering at Woodside Wildlife Park. I sent an email to ask if I could do some work experience over the winter months in their horticulture team. I got a really friendly email back. Yep, come in for a chat and let's see what we can offer you and what you want from us. So I went in and had a chat and started there volunteering over winter. It's been fab, it was really good. I got to, anything that I was learning in college, I got to then physically implement it as well and practice while I was there, which was amazing, and then got offered a position on their horticultural team. So to anybody who is looking at turning that hobby into career, just go for it. Honestly, I know a lot of people say, oh, just follow your dreams, and it's a really hard thing to do. You know, you've got all sorts of implications about financial implications, you've got children to look after, you might not have enough time in the day, but really try your hardest to make it work for you. I managed to do it. My husband works abroad. I've got 3 children of school age, and it was the perfect job in allowing me to control my working hours around my family.